नहीं बेटा, कोई बात तो एन आर। फिर ए ट्रिप, अ यूरोपियन, यूनिक आइडिया, अ यूनिक आइडिया, a book. My car gives a mileage of 40 kilometers a liter. Common doctors ask him to take the medicine twice a day. Mr. Joshi is an honest man. There is a mango tree in our garden. The farmer bought an ox and a cow. Okay? In the following sentences, A and are missing. Insert a slash. Sorry, I've not done this one. Fill in the blanks with A and an. Everybody loves a story. She will come back in an hour. I saw a boy and a girl in the garden. In the following sentences, A or an are missing. Insert a slash between the two words where A and an is required and write a correct article in the space provided. So, the bite of cobra is deadly. The bite of cobra. So, हमने slash कहाँ लगाना है? हमने slash लगाना है कोबरा से पहले. The bite of slash a cobra is deadly. The nightingale is, now put a slash over here, very strange bird. The nightingale is a very strange bird. This is, now put a slash over here, a unique opportunity for you to travel. Okay? Next question, choose the correct answers from the words given in the bracket and write the space provided. My uncle is representative or a representative of India. So it is a representative of India. Rohit is trained to fly a plane. Ram plays golf for pleasure. Okay. Now the next article, which is the. Okay. So we are going to study about the. The is called the definite article. The definite article is used before a definite noun. जैसे definite noun के पहले definite article को हम use करते हैं. For example, the President of United States lives in the White House. Before a noun, we mention the second. I saw a dog in the street. The dog was barking at a stranger. Before a proper noun, when it is qualified by an objective. The great Mahatma Gandhi led India to its freedom. Before the names which are unique, कुछ names unique होते हैं जैसे sun, east, west, है ना, moon to the sun, the east. Before superlatives and ordinals. Superlatives degrees होती है adjective के, आपको पता है, जो सबसे ज्यादा ऊपर वाले लेवल की सबसे अच्छी मानी गई है. श्रुतिका घई is the most beautiful girl in the school. ठीक है, so Shrutika is the most beautiful girl in the school. Before an adjective, the rich are proud and unkind. The rich are, adjective से पहले भी the लगाएंगे. We before a singular noun या class of animal, दोनों के पहले the लगता है. Mountain ranges, proper noun के पहले भी the Himalayas, the Rockies. Ocean, the Indian Ocean. Rivers, the Nile, the Ganges. Famous monument, the Gateway of India. Then certain books and newspaper, the Gita, the Bible. Okay. So before the proper noun again, the is not used. नाम के आगे द नहीं लगेगा. खाने के आगे we had a dinner, a dinner लिखा हुआ है, the dinner नहीं लिखा है. ठीक है. A dog was given some bread and milk, the dog नहीं लिखा है. Okay. So these are the some of the example. Before the word describing the relationship, my parents have gone out of station to attend the marriage celebration. My parents, okay, not the parents. Before the names of game के नाम के पहले the football नहीं होता है कभी भी, body parts के पहले the नहीं लगाया जाता है. ठीक है. So fill in the blanks with the wherever it is necessary. Otherwise, you have to put a cross. So the Tughlaqs wish to rule over the whole of the India. Right? Second देखेंगे, यहाँ पे कोई हमें द लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So please put cross. Muhammad was a man of ideas and reasons. Third, the Nightingale had to stay at the fort now. Fourth, the most influential movement of religious and social reform. यहाँ पे हमें द लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Please put on the cross. Social reform in North India was started by Dayanand Saraswati. Again, this filling the blanks में भी आपको cross लगाना है. In the early days, people used to measure length with the help of steps, arm span or palm span. Early days में कैसे लेंथ नापी जाती थी, या तो हाथ के नाप से और या फिर आपकी पाम यानी हथेली के नाप से. ठीक है. Then sixth, Akbar region was important for the Mughal dynasty because he was, अब यहाँ पे क्रॉस लगाना, able to consolidate the empire and organize it efficiently. Right? Seven, the ability to do work is known as energy. Now यहाँ पे again this filling the blanks जो है ये जबरदस्ती लगाया हुआ है, इस पे आप क्रॉस लगाएंगे. Rest is the best solution when you are tired. जब आप थक गए तो रेस्ट करना चाहिए. The best solution. Okay. The later part of the 18th century saw two revolutions. यहाँ पे 10th में देखेंगे, यहाँ पर क्रॉस लगाना होगा और ये मेडिटेशन इज अ टेक्निक टू प्यूरिफाई वन माइंड्स ऑफ इविल थॉट्स. नाउ एम कैपिटल करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर द नहीं लगेगा. तो आपको मालूम है कि हम सेंटेंस की शुरुआत कैपिटल लेटर से करते हैं, तो एम कैपिटल हो जाएगा. राइट. तो मेडिटेशन इज अ टेक्निक टू प्यूरिफाई वंस माइंड ऑफ, अगेन क्रॉस, हमको यहाँ पे भी द की जरूरत नहीं है, इविल थॉट्स. टिक राइट द ग्रामेटिकली एक्सेप्टेड सेंटेंसेस. ओके. सो ग्रामेटिकली एक्सेप्टेड सेंटेंसेस को पर राइट लगाना है. द सिटी हैज आल्सो सीन रैपिड ग्रोथ ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. The city has also seen the rapid growth of industries. So the first one is right. The vegetables grown in the bed of Yamuna contain toxic elements. The vegetable grown in the bed of the Yamuna contain the toxic elements. So the second sentence is the right one. Have you ever watched stray dogs which live near your house? Have you ever watched the stray dogs? Now this is right. The second one, the stray dogs which live near your house. Daydreaming is usually associated with boredom. Daydreaming is usually associated with the boredom. So the नहीं आएगा, simple वाला. The second sentence is going to be the right one. The play we watched was nice. Play, the play, play. Okay, simple play we watched was nice. Fill in the blanks with the wherever it is necessary, or oh sorry, this is the same page. Then fill in the blanks with a, an or the. The farmer bought a cow, a goat, and an ox. The new chief minister promised to put an end to the corruption. Mrinalini was shocked to hear the news that the ship had sunk in the Pacific Ocean. Fourth, the mayor and the governor of this town are attending. The conference भी हो सकता है और a conference भी हो सकता है. ठीक है? There is a neem tree, an oak tree, and elm tree growing in this garden. The earth completes its one rotation around the sun in 24 hours. Mohit ate an apple, a banana, and orange for breakfast. Ravi's aunt lives in Germany and he has an uncle who lives in Australia. The small town had a university, a hospital, a bank, and engineering college. अब यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना वोवल से पहले हमें एंड लगाना है अदरवाइज ए लगाना है ठीक है द गर्ल you met yesterday in the school is my cousin. Some of the birds we saw in the zoo were an ostrich, an emu, an eagle, and a college hen. I visited the old fort, the Qutub Minar, during holidays. The rich are heartless while the poor are kind. The Jet Airways flight started at the right time. The Rajdhani Express starts from the Havra station on time. The following passage has not been edited. There is an error in each line. Underline the incorrect article and make the correction. It is accepted the fact that everyone dreams. So dream by, so is accepted की जगह an fact. It is an fact that everyone dreams. Some dreams by night, some by day. Who has not had experience of day? Who has not the experience of day? Dreaming usually associated with the boredom in mathematics or social science classes. Adult reads most of the daydreams as objects of contempt. Youngsters, on the other hand, consider adults as villain for spoiling their peace, joy और happiness के बीच में क्या आएगा and A&D. All great people must have built many castles in the air before they built on ground. No dreams, future. No dreams, no future. Right? Choose the right word phrase from the option given below to complete the following passage. I have seen a house on fire, so one evening when I heard fire engines with a loud alarm bells rushing past my house, I quickly ran out. A few houses away, I saw a large crowd of people, but we could see the fire only from a distance because the police would not allow anyone near the building on fire. The next day, the policemen wanted an eyewitness account and an explanation for the cause of the fire. Okay. Insert articles wherever necessary and rewrite the given sentences. When cat is away, mice will play. When the cat is away, mice will play. In the past, not in past. Okay. Jungle was the man's natural habitat. It is in the past, the jungle was man's natural habitat. Whale is the largest living animal on the earth. Whale is the largest living animal on earth. Remove cap, remove the cap and hold the pen in left hand. Fifth, word can have two meanings. A word can have two meanings. We will have to call police. We will have to call the police. I found book. I found the book you were looking for in the bookshop. In the bookshop. I was only student in school not wearing blazer. I was the only student in the school, not wearing a blazer. The Ganga is sacred river in India. Himalayas are in the north of India. Brave firefighters rescued the people safely from the building. Old man called his sons to his bedside. An old man. Not only old man, an old man. Write an application to your class teacher for asking for leave. Sorry. Write an application to your class teacher for asking for leave. So, this was your chapter of article. If there is any problem, let me know. Raise your hand so that I can take up your doubts. If you are having any problem regarding this chapter. Okay, students, tomorrow you are going to have the English subjective test of your, the poem number 3 and information bureau. So who is an information bureau in the home? I know you don't have any doubt. You people are very well prepared. So let me ask you some of the question. Who is an information bureau in the home? At your home? I'm not going to ask to Dhananjay Modi. Yes, Prisha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Who is the info?
इसका आंसर मदर है.
इसका आंसर मदर है. Very good. So Prisha, mother to answer hai, but you have to form a proper sentence. In our home, our mother is a information bureau. ठीक है? Mother hai is absolutely right, but proper sentence में answer देंगे आप. Okay? Prisha, hands down. Okay. बिना देखे आपके पास आपकी बुक खुली हुई नहीं होनी चाहिए. ब्यूरो की स्पेलिंग बताइए. ब्यूरो की स्पेलिंग बताएंगे बिना देखे. बुक नहीं खोलना, चीटिंग नहीं करना. यस तेजस.
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा.
मैम ब्यूरो की स्पेलिंग BUREAU.
Very good Tejas. Very good. So now see one more exercise which you have to do is there are dictation words given in your copy, right? लेकिन dictation words के अलावा भी छोटे छोटे कई सारे words हैं जैसे gloves, GLOVES, specs, SPECS, notebook, NOTEBOOK, है ना? ये सारे words जो है इनकी spellings आपको याद होनी चाहिए. कल मैं पोएम के बीच में से भी आपको स्पेलिंग का टेस्ट दे सकती हूँ. जंबल अप करके दे सकती हूँ या चूज द राइट वन दे सकती हूँ. तो आप लोग पोएम के बीच में से भी स्पेलिंग्स को लर्न करेंगे. छोड़ मत देना. छोड़ दिया तो फिर नंबर नहीं आएंगे. ओके. एंड बहुत छोटी सी पोएम है तो आप लोग से फटाफट लर्न भी हो जाएगी. राइट? Any other thing you want me to reply? Any other question, Nikita? Your hand is raised. Yes.
Ma'am, there is no other question, but I want to tell the answer.
Okay. Which answer?
मैम आप डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स पूछ रहे थे ना?
हाँ, डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स में ब्यूरो की स्पेलिंग पूछी थी ना. अब ऐसा करो, आप मुझे जल्दी से स्पेक्स की स्पेलिंग बताइए.
SPECKS.
KS. नो, रॉन्ग. SPECS. ठीक है, आप अपने बुक में देखिए, लर्न कीजिए बच्चे, तैयारी कीजिए, है ना. धनंजय, यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग? हाँ धनंजय. हाँ,
मैम आपने आर्टिकल्स से पहले कुछ कराया तो नहीं था?
मैंने आर्टिकल से पहले अभी कुछ नहीं करा है. मैंने आर्टिकल से ही आज क्लास स्टार्ट की.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
धनंजय, मेरे को ग्लव्स की स्पेलिंग बताइए.
मैम GLOVES.
वेरी गुड धनंजय. ओके, मुझे नोटबुक की स्पेलिंग कौन बताने वाला है? रेज योर हैंड. यस तेजस. नोटबुक.
मैम नोटबुक की स्पेलिंग NOTE नोटबुक BOOK नोटबुक.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, डिमांडिंग वर्ड है. डिमांडिंग मेरे को निकिता से भी नहीं पूछना, धनंजय से भी नहीं पूछना, तेजस से भी नहीं पूछना. शैलेंद्र पारीक. डिमांडिंग. यस प्रिशा.
मैम डिमांडिंग DEMANDING.
वेरी गुड.
डिमांडिंग.
वेरी गुड. सो आज हम इसी टॉपिक के साथ ये सेशन खत्म करेंगे. इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट in the chapter information bureau, you can poem information bureau, you can ask me if you are having any doubt. Nikita, you are raising your hand. Is there a doubt or it's okay? Fine. Any doubt regarding this poem? So you are not having any doubt in this poem, right? I assume so because you are not asking me any question. Okay. So फिर do the preparation for your subjective test and we will meet tomorrow at this time only. Bye. Bye.